Welcome back to Whiteboard Wednesday at home. I'm your host, James. We're going to do something a little bit different today. You ready? I want you to look up quickly just one random item that should be stocked on your shelf somewhere. You have it on hand, and go tell someone on your shop floor to go grab it. You just tell them the part number, the item, whatever. Say, hey, Chad, I want you to grab such and such, and see how long it takes them to find it and bring it to you. Okay? Try it out. Okay, so a few things have probably happened. One, you've either gotten your item back quickly. Two, they couldn't find it at all. Or three, they're still looking for it even right now. And that ought to inform you on a couple things about your process of where your items are, how to improve it, and where we go from here. So, where are your items? If your worker knew immediately where to get the item, there's probably a couple scenarios there of either they've been there for a while and they know exactly where everything is, which is great, saves a ton of time. But let's say that person gets sick or they move on to a different job. Is the next person going to be as fast or know right where to go? Is there already a system in place that they can onboard to and get right up in the speed of things? Another version is that that person took a long time to find it because they didn't know where it was. They didn't have any way of quickly looking up where they should find it by aisle, row, shelf, bin, etc. Or even another version is they're still looking right now and your stopwatch is still running, and now you're starting to maybe hopefully get a little of the gravity of the situation of every time that you are picking an item or grabbing material for production process or even just plain kidding. This is the process that is taking place. There is someone looking for this item or part or whatever, and it takes time. And the more time that is spent looking, the less time that is spent making or receiving an order or shipping out an order or verifying a pick, etc., etc. All that time adds up. We talk about this constantly. We've spent a lot of time talking about time. But what you probably want end of the day is a solution that is going to tell you, because you told it, where everything is, so that when someone has a question or they can't find something, boom, it's right there. It's labeled properly. Your warehouse or whatever it is set up so that you can quickly get what you need and get back to work. So remember, the more time that you lose to everyday repeatable processes is less time you get to focus on growing your business, improving your time spent, your budget, wherever you need help. So don't lose sight of your end goal. I'm James. This is Whiteboard Wednesday.